Implementing hashing in a virtual tool. Okay. Go to what is your proposition? What you are doing?
So this is the queue mapping that we have done.
And sir, this is the hashing. We have here the skybox number and we have a destination of skybox. Suppose we have some landmarks, okay, and we are starting from the front of the institute. And if you want to reach the particular landmark, you would have to start from the front of the institute, and you would have to repeat same images many times. So what we have proposed is we can have a skybox number and we can have destination of skybox in the columns. So suppose one represents PGDCM Q. So starting from the first skybox will be of the Tabasa city front side. Second will be of the college. Third skybox that is being represented by 12 will be of the ground. Then we will take a left from there, right from there, and then we will come to the fourth skybox, which will be of the corridor, and then we will come to the fifth skybox, that will be of the road. So by this method we have reached the road, and by using hashing we have reduced the time complexity to n to O n. As since we are and if we had and if we hadn't used hashing, we would have to search from starting skybox to the skybox we want to use to represent a particular location. And in the skybox also we have used the MD5 hash function to encrypt the whole link into 8 bits.
Next is, so should I start from start?
No,
This is the main concept.
this is the main concept, right? You
Yeah.
are using
Yes.
hashing as your what exactly you have whether you have done any comparison with these or alternative technology.
So these were the related work that we have studied. This is the view of Computer Lab of University of Sardola, and they have used VRM technology. It is a scene description language. So it was increasing the size. It was difficult to load the virtual tool on the internet. But we have used 3.js, which is a JavaScript library that's used to render 3D objects to the screen. So it was better to use 3.js, what we have observed in our work. Then this is the entrance, this is the virtual tour of IIT Kanpur. It was developed by photobubbles.com. Then this is the virtual tour of Harvard College. It is developed by uvisit.com. It's a platform where you can make the virtual tour of any building.
Which platform?
Uvisit.com. So that's the
Uvisit.
Yeah. This is the related with all the work that we have studied. Then this was the literature survey. Then we have studied several research papers and websites for virtual tour. Then for virtual reality, 3.js, cube mapping, skybox, hashing, string matching. We have implemented selective navigation in our paper in the virtual tool, and thumbnail navigation, which allows us to move in the left and the right direction, up and in the backward direction.
So we have following issues and challenges. It took us more time to load the skyboxes as the number of skyboxes increased. So time complexity of our virtual tool increased. Linking of skyboxes is still a difficult task. We couldn't resolve that issue because it required changes in the 3.js library itself. Then image rendering was a necessary task. It's important because images need to fit perfectly in the cube itself, and then tagging of images was again difficult.
Go back. Okay, wait.
So the motivations for our project were to get.
We saw that. Please. Okay.
The research objective was to reduce the space and time complexity of the virtual tool and to develop an interactive virtual tool applications, because most of the applications are
Why did you use hashing?
So we use hashing to reduce the space.
How did you come to a conclusion that hashing is the best solution?
So we came to the conclusion that hashing is the best solution because if we want to show a particular skybox and if we don't use hashing, then from the database of many skyboxes like of 100, like skybox IT, skybox chemical, skybox TQ, I'm using the names. If they will be in a particular database and
but that content wouldn't be disruptive, meaning the hashing entities. Let's say you are a human and the hashing techniques gives you different images. Will that not be a disruptive in the tool entities? how do you say is the best solution by hashing that you get and by human intervention that
What we actually do is we link the path. So if you are visiting the
okay, you are linking the path.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes, sir.
Then you decide manually how to put it.
No, sir.
Or
Since we have skyboxes and we know the path. We have numbered skybox like this is my skybox, this is my number. So we have 32 skyboxes for a particular path, and so we have 32 numbers. And many of those skyboxes are repeated for different locations also. So in this way we implemented hashing like suppose I wanted to go to IT branch and I also wanted to go to Linux branch. The path for the branch is the same, but the difference is IT comes first and Linux comes second.
okay.
So in the integrating part of the electronics branch, what we did was we called the skybox for IT path first, and then we added 2 more skyboxes to go to Linux branch.
This way we reduce the size.
So if we wouldn't have done that, then we would have started from the main gate itself. So it would take some time.
This is the workflow diagram. We have done graphic rendering using Three.js and navigation. Navigation is further divided to thumbnail navigation, which is controlled by orbitcontrol.js. If you make changes to orbitcontrol.js, it's better. Then you can achieve thumbnail navigation. Then we have done selective navigation by string matching, by the concept of string matching, by using a jQuery plugin that is TPU Search. Then we have used hashing to combine both of them to optimize our virtual tool.
So these are the results of
So
our
you put
project.
much time talking about it.
So this is our virtual tour of NIT Kharagpur.
Okay.
We have just
Conclude.
So the conclusion is that we created a virtual tool implemented along with hashing. Hashing was also used for selective navigation. Our analysis gave us space complexity of n square.
Can you show the video of virtual tour of NIT?
yes,
Yes,
it's
It's
my
in the
laptop.
laptop.
Okay, later on. Okay.
And
Go back to the previous slide.
I will explain.
Go back to the previous slide.
Sir, this is the virtual tour. Okay. When you will click to go straight.
No, we understand. We understand. All right.
You have put out the complexities, whether they are real.
Those are the real.
The next slide. You have put out the complexities O1 and N1, whether this really works out or it is theoretical.
So it's a theoretical concept. Theoretical we actually computed it from the metrics that we are creating from the algorithm we are running.
Sorry. Thank you.
And so I would also like to comment on one point.
Time is over. Now. So thank you.